Good morning. I hope you are enjoying the forum so far. We'll start with Dr. Sa'id, reflecting from Radia, what's the role and what they are doing currently in assuring partnership and the role of the government in bridging the gap in general. So floor is yours.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah jami'an, and thank you very much for having me on this very important panel. The RDIA is established, as you know, a few years ago, 2 years in particular. Before that, for those who remember, the funding used to come from CACST, and which was also the executor. And RDIA came to change a little bit of separation of powers and have a North Star for the whole country. So you saw today that there is a North Star in terms of 2030 vision and beyond. We're already talking about 2040. In the 4 sector areas, there is multiple missions that represent 60 to 70% of the funds and the resources that will go into achieving solutions for kingdom challenges. But these challenges are not unique to us. It's actually a global challenge, which also means to solve it, we have to partnership with a lot of universities, companies to solve these water problem, communicable disease problem, AI, quantum, and other areas of research. So what we plan to do is we want to encourage partnership in multiple ways. One, through these missions, there will be levels of funding. The basic science, there is a full breakthrough funds that require you to actually have a consortium, hopefully from outside the country. And for the mission itself, there is area that is require huge projects that's sometimes only done by very few centers. So we now have a vehicle called R&D contracts. So if there is a technology that's required to solve a big problem in the mission and it's not possible to do it with open competitive grants, then this vehicle actually is going to allow the universities, the researchers, and partners from outside to work together on an R&D contract. But all of this mean nothing if we don't have areas like innovation districts, where you really combine the universities, the companies, the startups in a very close loop with open lab policies, infrastructure for data analysis, which is something we want to help the ecosystem with. So you can imagine that combining the funds, the infrastructure, and breaking the silos, which is also breaking the R&D ecosystem in the country, opening up between us in the country, first of all, then opening up also with the international companies and universities. And with all of this, we want also to work with you and this innovation district to develop the roadmap. The roadmap is not 100% detailed. It will be dynamic. Every year we will review what we done last year, what's worked, what did not work. We celebrate the success, and then not the North Star every year in terms of ideas, technologies, or even new partnerships. So this is in a nutshell what RDIA is hoping to do from this year moving forward.
Thank you very much. And I think this is a good overview from Radia and what they are really advancing and doing today in the kingdom in particular.